To use an HTML entity, simply replace the special character with its corresponding entity name or number. For instance, instead of using the less than symbol directly in your HTML code, you would use it to represent it. By doing so, you ensure that the character is displayed correctly in all browsers, regardless of encoding settings or potential conflicts. Firstly, use entities sparingly. Use them only when necessary, such as when you need to display reserved characters or symbols. Secondly, always validate your HTML code to ensure correct usage of entities and prevent errors. Lastly, consider the accessibility of your content. Assistive technologies rely on properly encoded characters, so using HTML entities correctly helps make your website more inclusive and user-friendly. To truly grasp the power of HTML entities, let's look at some real-life examples where they can make a significant impact. Welcome to HTML entities. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of HTML entities and how they can enhance your web development projects. HTML entities play a vital role in web development, allowing us to display characters that are not readily available on our standard keyboards. They are essential for creating visually appealing and accessible websites. In this video, we will demystify HTML entities and delve into their significance in the world of web development. So, why do we need HTML entities? Well, as you know, the HTML language uses specific characters to define the structure and content of a web page. However, there are certain characters that have special meanings within HTML, such as the less than symbol and the ampersand symbol. These characters cannot be used directly in HTML code without causing errors. That's where HTML entities come to the rescue. HTML entities allow us to display these special characters without confusing the browser or interfering with the code. By using the ampersand symbol followed by a specific entity name or number, we can represent these characters accurately on our web pages. Now, let's take a closer look at some commonly used HTML entities and their corresponding symbols. For example, the HTML entity represents the less than symbol, represents the greater than symbol, represents the ampersand symbol, represents the double quotation mark, and represents the apostrophe. These are just a few examples, and there are many more HTML entities available. Now that we understand the significance of HTML entities and know some of the commonly used ones, let's explore how we can incorporate them into our web development projects. In this example, we have a blog post with a title containing an ampersand symbol. Using the HTML entity, we display the title correctly without breaking the structure of the HTML code. Another example is when displaying code snippets on a website. HTML entities ensure that less than and greater than symbols don't confuse the browser and are rendered correctly.